Hello friends, today we will meet to Saptarashi who is studying in 7th standard. So we are taking new topic today. Saptarashi is a brilliant girl in 7th standard. So I want to ask her some questions. So Saptarashi, hello.
Hello, sir.
Say loudly Saptarashi.
Hello, sir.
So, Saptarashi, tell me actually what you have a unique skill in English. It is possible for you to speak in English. How it is possible for you?
Actually, it is possible for me because I try to make sentences daily. I try to speak English from my childhood. That's why it is possible.
So, actually, Saptarashi, actually, I am observing students in 7th standard. It is not easy for them to speak in English fluently, but it's easy for you. How you can get a benefit in your syllabus or in your standard?
As I see any challenging word in my textbook which is challenging me, I recently searched on net and got its meaning and fit it in my mind.
Just tell me one secret. Actually, we would like to listen secret from you. What is the reason behind that to speak in English, to understand in English, to learn in English? So, how it is possible for your age? Actually, I think there are so many factors for you to learn English. So, just what you can tell to some viewers.
uh, I'm trying to say that learn at for talking English, we have to learn at least 75% of glossary. We have to know the word meanings, word
Okay.
and English translation, their Marathi translation, or any your mother tongue language translation. We have to know, and then by making the word sentence, we will try to make sentence, and then our English speaking will improve.
Just tell me, how did you create interest in English? From when? From which standard you created interest in English? And what is the reason to create interest in English?
From fifth, I tried to create more interest in English.
How it is possible to create interest? Actually, for every student, it is not possible to create interest in English. As you know that English is a very what prominent language, or everywhere we can see. So your textbook are in English. So not your all have textbooks in English. So it is very challenging language to learn, because we are studying in English. So that's why.
Actually, many of the students
Say loudly a little bit.
many of the students have problem that they can't understand English, even though their textbooks are in English, like math, science, English, EVS, etc. Uh, they got a problem in hard words, so they ask to their teachers, but not get perfect meanings. They not get. So what to do? They have to know know on their own, know the meaning on their own of the particular word which they didn't understand.
Okay, means viewers, she wanted to tell us what is important. Words, vocabulary power is very important. She wanted to tell to viewers. So vocabulary power. So I think her secret is a vocabulary power, and she has been learning many words since fourth or third standard. So that's why she has a good vocabulary power now also. So anything do you want to tell to our viewers?
Viewers, keep studying and try to speak more and more English in your daily life. Thank you.
She wanted to tell, don't hesitate while speak English. You need to you need to speak in English. If it is not possible for you, then use at least 2 or 3 words in each sentence to come on English, to fluent in English. So it is very necessary for us. So okay.